Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these vanilla sprinkle cookies. Let's begin. Into your mixing bowl you'll want to place your butter, your light brown sugar and your granulated white sugar and mix them together until they are very well combined. So once the butter and the sugars are combined, you can give your bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then you can add in your eggs one at a time, beaten well in between each addition. This will change the consistency of the mixture, and once your eggs are fully incorporated you can give your bowl another good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not be fully worked in. Next you can add in your dry ingredients, passing them through a sieve first just to remove any lumps from the dry ingredients that may be there. All this information will be on the blog post, there'll be a link to that in the description down below. Then you can add in your sprinkles, then mix this on a low speed until all the ingredients are combined. So once you can see a dough has formed, you'll want to stop mixing completely. This will stop you over mixing the dough. And again, you'll want to scrape down the sides and the bottom of your bowl just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then for each cookie you'll want to scoop up 2 balls of cookie dough, roll them together and flatten them slightly, but first dipping them into the sprinkles so the top has more sprinkles on, then just flatten them slightly, and then once you've got enough on a tray, I'll put 6, you could easily get 8. On a bigger tray you'll just want to get a cookie cutter and round off the cookie dough, and this helps them to spread more equally. And here is what they look like once they are fully baked. So once the cookies have cooled down for around 5 to 10 minutes, you can then transfer them onto a cooling rack to cool completely before you enjoy them, or if you want to enjoy them slightly warm, enjoy them before they go fully cooled. So that's all for this week. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with another video, so join me then. If you have any suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments down below, message me on one of my social medias, or message me from my blog, whichever works best for you. And that's it for this week. I'll see you next week. Bye guys.